start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So this is a brand I've not used for a minute or two. Beetles, guys. This is a set of liner gels. Gel art polish, gel nail polish set. Guys, this is like the liner set. This would be all you need. Let me tell you, this is the set of liners. If you needed any, this is it. I am well impressed with this. So let me get it open. Look at this. When I say this is the set of liners you need, it's got all them colours. All these colours. Like I said, it's got 20 colours, right? It comes with your base coat and your top coat. 7.5ml, so they're good size bottles. Directions on the back. Brilliant. Right, and it also comes with one gel polish, regular gel polish. And it's just a nice little nude. So they've kind of provided like a nice little nude base colour. And then you could use the liner gels to do some little artwork. I thought that was a nice little extra bonus touch. I've never seen that before. That's the colour of it there if you wanted to buy it separately. So, yeah, I thought that was a nice quirky touch. We'll leave that out. And you also get, look at this. I'm really happy with this because this is the glitter I use a hell of a lot. So you get a little glitter shaker. See if I can take it out of focus and show you. Can you see? Oh, it's not showing it very well. But it's a beautiful, beautiful... it's got a really nice sparkle in it. But I use this glitter a hell of a lot for going over little lines like this set. Let me get the focus back. This set, for example, I've sprinkled this iridescent glitter into it. So that's really well thought out actually. Because it's completely transparent. So you could put this glitter on any of these and the colour will still show through. Just like it has on my nails. So I thought that was really well thought out. Right guys. I'm going to swatch them because I want them swatching for my reference anyway. So I will swatch a couple with you. And I'm just going to put some music on and you can, if you enjoy watching swatches, you can watch. If not, just skip to the end and I'll show you the colours. It's also come with a dotting tool, look. I'm really, really impressed with this little kit. I am. Yeah, let's have a look at this little base colour. I think this is a really, really well thought out little kit. Little extra touches like this can really make the difference between somebody buying it or not. It really can. Yeah, that's just a nice natural kind of natural nude colour with a bit of added fluff. Of course, this is Unpolished by Aggie's channel. Yeah, it's just a nice nude. I like it. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds and I'll do the other one as well. And yeah, we'll swatch some over these and we'll do the rest up the stick. Guys, please help me out. Does anybody get fruit flies or is it just me and I'm a tramp? And it's only ever one. I kill it, I swat it. 5 minutes later, there's another one. I swat it, I kill it. 5 minutes later, there's another one. And it's driving me bonkers. Is it because of all the natural resin and stuff they like? Or am I a tramp? I need to know. Does anybody else get fruit flies or am I a tramp? Someone please tell me. So let's take a look at the actual liners. So these are in glass bottles. I like them. I like the feel of them. So they've all got numbers. B5040506. Yep, they've all got numbers. Let's have a look at the brushy wushy. These are good quality. I'm impressed. Yeah, and they've got a really nice skinny mini little brush. And they've got a really pointy tip. Oh, I'm well impressed. Right guys, I'm not going to do anything fancy. I literally just want to see what the colours are. I'm just going to do a swipe of each colour like this. Yeah, I like this brush. This brush is nice. Nice black. Then we'll do the white. Right guys, I'm going to stick some music on while I swatch these. Right guys, so that is the first 10, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that is the first 10. I like the gold and silver. Nice shimmeries, jam-packed. Like, look at these nudie colours and toned down colours. I like them. So I'm going to cure them. And I'm going to do the next 10. I'm excited for this next one. Look at these colours, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at these colours. Look at them. I love all of them. Wow, right, let's cure them. So this is that first one. I am just gonna top coat over all these because I don't want them sticky. So that is all the colours, 20. Because some of these liner gels for sets of 6 you can pay like, I think the cheapest, cheap ones are like $12.99, but then they go like $15.99, $19.99 for sets of 6. I'd rather just fork out and get the full 20. Look at all them colours. Wow, this top one, obviously my favourite. But going into autumn and stuff, perfect. Right, what I'm going to quickly do is we're going to have a look at this glitter. And I'm going to show... Oh, look, even that's sealed with a sealy thing. This is brilliant. So, we're going to see the glitter over a bright pink, a bright yellow, and we're going to do it over the white. And I'm going to show you that you can put this glitter over any colour and you'll still get that. If it's white, yellow or pink. Let's do a line going down this time, eh? So, shall we have a sprinkle? So it's got a sprinkle option and it's got a pour option. I think we're just going to sprinkle it. Oh, this is so easy. All fine glitters should come in shakers. Shout out to all the glitter companies. All your fine glitters should come in pourable or sprinkleable pots like this. Right, I'm going to cure that and I'll show you. There we go, guys. That is that one done. So yeah, that glitter will go over any colour and the colour stays just as strong as it was. Do you know, to be honest, I've not really seen the height the excitement around liner gels. Like, just put some colour on your palette. We've already got all these colours. But there's no clean up, there's no mess. You don't need extra brushes. They are actually handy to have. And this one, on a whole, yeah, I think it's a really good one. I do. I think it's a really good one. I didn't notice as well, guys, all these gels have got names. We've got Orchid, Rose Shadow, Marigold, Limelight. I'm not going to go through them all, but Knockout Pink. Yeah, they've all got names. But yeah, I think it's a really, really cute little set. I love the added extras that they've put in. The glitter and the little nude gel. The dotting tool. Yeah, I think it's quite a little well thought out little set of liner gels. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there because it's probably going to be a long one. I'll leave links below, and if I can get any discount codes, I will. But yeah, that is it for today, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.